Okay, time to wrap it up. I can't believe it's Friday. My goodness, how time flies when you're having fun. It'd neat to be doing something that you love or aspire to do. Okay, end of the week profit taking. We said 55, 57 was pretty important on the last update. If we couldn't get back up above that 57, 58 area, it was a sell. We touched 60. It's a mean green trade. Sets up nicely. You would be short on the mean green trade in this area, 1 or 2 ticks inside that green line, which would have had you short at 60 and a quarter, maybe 60.50, and the market traded down to 48 plus. Big trade. The idea is to retest this area right here. That's where the test is going to come from. So end of the week long liquidation, what do we have right here? We got the 50 lot trader buying. We have the 20 lot trader selling. The 20 lot trader initiates trades. They turn seller here, and the market broke and came off from there, so it worked. You have access to good information. The 19 lot trader was a little late to the party. I do believe the 20 lot trader is the initiator. 50 lot trader was with them till this bar right here. Then they started to lighten up on their shorts. So got both of them going in the same direction. You got a shot at 7 to 10 points. And in this case, you'd had a shot at 10 points. So the guidelines, the expectations, they work when you get everything all lined up. So where to on Monday? Monday is a no news day. I think there'll probably be a lot of stuff coming in over the weekend once again. A lot of stuff to think about. The news that came out when they looked at the numbers, there was a 50,000 seasonal adjustment. They actually lost 2.75 million jobs, but they counted that as plus 250. I mean, I don't know, when you have an absolute loss of jobs, how you can show that as a positive, but they figured out how to do it. So that's where we are with our jobs numbers these days. So we're in a situation come Monday that we can buy into weakness in this 45 area right here. This breakout looks to be a pretty good one. It'll be the top of value from that other distribution. We'll go ahead and we'll fold those in. We'll have a move out of the middle, and we'll see if we can't get it. Higher low, higher high. This one actually says you're a buyer. But Charlie, we sold all day. How can we do that? No, it all depends on where volume is, and you can see volume is right there. So had this breakout from 49. B extends the range up here at 48. Last rotate down in B period stopped at the 43.50 area. So this 44, 48 area right in here looks to be pretty solid support for planning purposes. Now it could be taken out this afternoon. And if you wanted a safe buy leaning against that high volume number at 40, you'd have a resting limit buy at 40.50. Get it done. So if we're to close it right here at 49.75, my guess is it would go a little bit lower, so we'd have a 45, 47 buy. And a 40, 42, the buy 2. On the sell side, 55, 57 support, so 54, 56 is sell 1, 59, 60 sell 2. God, no football this weekend. What are we going to do? Taxes. I hate that. It just, you go through all the paperwork and you put all that stuff together, and God dang it, then you got to write them a check. Never, 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 never fun for me. Okay, pretty heavy selling. This is an auction for the financials. Got this area down here that's 28.16, 28 even. So got an R right there at 5.5. So it's 28 even. 28.08 is probably pretty good support. This definitely is a sell. The E-minis kind of holding there, that probably would reinforce that a little bit higher. Supports at 17. 13 gets stops below 16. That'll be buy 1. 5 to 9 will be buy 2. On the sell side, 23, so we're going to sell failure to take out 24.28. And then 31 to 03. The knob spread got damaged today, came in quite a bit. Recovered into the close, but they really hammered that through E period. So when we take a look at this screen, we've got a very, very clean break up here in this 28 to the buck area. You can see it right here. So selling failure to get through 28 to the buck. This high at 7 to 11 would be sell 2. On the buy side, bottom of value is 9. I'm going to play it for that 5 to 9 buy 1. 29 to 01 buy 2. May have to pay up. I will just have to come in and take a look at it Monday morning. I'm not in too big a hurry to get long though, unless the E-mini crashes. Well, on gold, when we looked at the longer-term charts, we said that 25 area, and then the basically 1200 is where support is, or has been. So definitely selling against 50 is a great trade. So we got 37, 42, a single print at 44, so 40, 40, now let's make it 38 to 40, sell 1, 44, 46, sell 2. On the buy side, 28 to 30, buy 1, and then 25 plus or minus for buy 2. Okay, crude. Again, we have people that think the bottom is in. And from an economic standpoint, I wouldn't argue with them on that. And when you get down to the cost of production, where the economics are, what you'll see is that where it takes $70, $80, $90 per barrel to break even, none of those prospects are going to get drilled. In the $40 to $50 range break even, make a little money on it, those will get drilled. So we'll lose at least 25% of the drilling rigs domestically onshore. I don't know how much we'll lose offshore, because those are the projects that can produce 100,000, 150,000 barrels a day. That's just unheard of production for North America onshore. You just don't get that, and they're willing to take 5 to 10 years to bring that stuff in. It can replace a whole lot of oil wells. So crude oil right now, this pretty clean break here starting at 52.50, and we're 52 even, so We'll make it 25 to 50, sell 1. And 53 plus or minus for sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make it 51, 51 and a quarter. We'll try to pick it up in this area. And then our 50-50 for buy 2. And last but not least, the euro. Okay, 115, pretty good resistance. The 113 area has been where we have found some support this week. Beneath that, 112.50, and beneath that, 111.50. So it's peeling off in one-handle increments. So I think when you see a flat bottom like this, I think that'll be taken out. So stops below 113. Well, first buy will be this 90 to 113 area. And, you know, I don't really like the long side of the market. Buy 2 will be in the 75 area. On the sell side, 1350 plus or minus in 1375. You all have a great weekend. We've had a good week trading this week. It's been the way it should be. For most of our markets, we've got a reasonably hot hand. Not perfect, but pretty damn